Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. If you're new to the channel, I do a lot of unboxing videos, a lot of video reviews for watches that I try out. So the idea is to create a database for a lot of watches in the sub 1000 euros sector. And at the same time, I do review also watches that I add in my collection, which doesn't have an upper limit, just my tastes is the limit for what I buy. And yeah, so this time I have a watch that I think it's very interesting. It's in the 150 euros range, around 135 on Amazon at the moment. And it's from PULSAR. So basically PULSAR is one of these companies that do also a lot of stuff like Loras, basically cheaper Japanese brands that are there to compete with the Chinese watches that we see. So I have here the PULSAR PG8287X1, and as you can see the ticking, it's a quartz watch with a diving bezel. So it does have this, I would say cushion shape case, and so PULSAR I think is also one of the Seiko brands like Loras. So you get the Seiko hardware, so basically Seiko quartz movement, Seiko misalignment of the crown as well, and you get 100 meters water resistance, you get a mineral glass, and you get a, I would say, stainless steel or similar case and case back. So if we look at the dimensions of the watch, so this watch is, I'm totally wrong on this one. It's hard to measure this from this side. Maybe from this side it would be easier. So 44, I would say, but I think the more measured that is important here is the 50 or 51 lug to lug distance. It has also, I think, 12 millimeters of thickness. Yep, 12 millimeters. And you get a standard 22 millimeter strap. So the standard sizes. I have, by the way, still on my wrist the Citizen, the Ciosa. Really nice watch. Enjoying it a lot. Put it on the side so I can show you the PULSAR. So here we have the PULSAR with this, I would say, cheap leather with red stitching to match the red numerals on the bezel. And here we can see it on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. As you can see, strap flap, which I hate. That's why I like a lot of NATOs and straps that go under the other end. Makes it much easier, much better looking for me. But I do like the watch, I have to say. I have this red, let's see the room first. You get a nice lume on the watch, and you have also on the counterpart of the second a lume pip, which is quite nice. I don't see that a lot. And you have enough lume on each of the indices that you'd be able to read time at night. I didn't test it yet how long it will hold up, but from looking at it and seeing the price, I don't think it will hold up that much, but still will be a little bit legible at night. You have a date window with a bordering around it, red border like the bezel and like the inner track. As you can see on top of each index, a red point. And like I said, unidirectional bezel action is okay. It's not that bad for 135, I have to say. I would definitely put this on a NATO strap or maybe a Bond strap. I think that would make it look much better, especially for smaller wrists, because the cushion case does hug the wrist, does give you a better wearing because also of this lug formation that goes downward. Yeah, other than that, as you can see, brushed on the top side, polished on the chamfers, brush on the side, Same here, brush on the side, polish on the chamfer, brushed on the lug side, which gives it a really nice look as it plays with the light. And on the side view, it's not that thick. I think this is definitely on my good list. If you find it, maybe you can find it even cheaper online. I think I even found one for some discount under 100, which is quite good. But I will show you also in the next weeks. As you can see in the inner ring, there is some writings. Quite cool as well. Anyways, so let me move the hands so I know. Yeah, smooth, very smooth. Hands moving. Let's see. The change happened even before the 12, as you can see. And yeah. So that's basically it for this Pulsar unboxing. Maybe make a 1-minute watch review for the watch after wearing it for a couple of days, just to give you a better feel on how the watch will perform after wearing it for a couple of days. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.